Hello, my name is Karolis and I'm an application scientist at ATLANT 3D. We're here in Copenhagen in our lab, and behind me is our machine called the Nanofabricator Lite. One very special thing about the Nanofabricator Lite is that it can make gradient thin film structures in one single fabrication step. Well, traditionally, making gradient structures either takes many steps one after another or very complex fabrication processes. For us, it's just a single fabrication step. What are gradient nanostructures good for? Well, they can be used either for optics, sensors, or in semiconductor devices. Here I have a wafer with a titanium dioxide thin film deposition on top. Here at the very top, you see there's 3 rows of deposited lines, and each one of them has a different thickness. There are 40 different thicknesses that we fabricated in a single go. Using traditional fabrication methods, this would take days or even weeks. As a bonus, here are some gradient structures at the bottom. You simply cannot make these with traditional fabrication recipes.